Welcome to Mega Machina, where size does matter. From giant excavators tearing through the earth, to massive chainsaws slicing through colossal timber, to the most powerful caterpillars ever built. This is the world of extreme engineering. Machines so big, so loud, so unstoppable, they redefine what humans can create. If it rumbles, roars, or reshapes the planet, you'll find it here, Mega Machina. Bigger, stronger, unbelievable. Are you ready? Long ago, the woods were worked by men armed with hand saws and double-bit axes. Every log dragged out of the forest demanded sheer muscle progress, was slow, dangerous, and wasteful. More than 70% of each tree was left behind as tops, bark, crooked cuts, and sawdust. That was simply the way things were. Today, the story is completely different. In modern mills, a log is scanned by lasers, mapped by computers, and cut with precision in seconds. Nearly the entire tree is used. Strong beams, framing lumber, chips, pellets, nothing goes to waste. In the United States, wood and forest products now generate about $288 billion a year, nearly 4% of the nation's manufacturing GDP. It's a remarkable evolution, from sweat and hand tools to technology and sustainability. Beside this traditional craft, modern forestry relies heavily on machines that early generations could hardly imagine. Harvesters grip, cut, delimb, and section a tree within minutes, recording every measurement along the way. Feller bunchers slice multiple stems at once and stack them into neat piles for skidders or trucks. One machine can replace an entire crew, transforming both productivity and safety. Yet, when a trunk grows beyond 30 inches across, the old-school faller still has the final say. Once harvested, the challenge becomes moving thousands of pounds of logs across rough terrain. On steep slopes, cable yarders pull timber uphill where no truck can reach. On gentler ground, skidders drag multiple logs at once, saving time and fuel. And once the forest meets the road, trucks take over. Oregon alone ships more than 3.5 billion board feet of lumber each year. Across America, more than 100,000 logging trucks keep the industry moving. Before highways and diesel engines, rivers and railroads carried America's timber. For much of the 20th century, whole log drives filled the waterways. Men in spiked boots dancing across rolling logs, guiding them with pike poles. By the 1970s, concerns for salmon and river health ended most of these drives. Logging railroads, once spreading over 40,000 miles of track across the country, have also mostly vanished, remembered now as symbols of a rugged, inventive era.